We are at the beginning of a great transformation, one that will allow businesses to grow and thrive. Strategic use of business technology is at the center of this evolution. Businesses need trusted partners to help them navigate this transformation and find new ways to help them scale and grow. This is why New Signature exists.
Our customers today are facing some interesting challenges. We build solutions for their employees, and their employees are no longer sitting at desks. They're out in the field, they're selling to their customers, they're interacting with their customers, and they're not connected to the information they need to do their job.
That leads to an enormous challenge as it relates to collaboration and productivity. How do we get all those people to work together and to work together as if they're in the same room? Using modern Microsoft technologies, using Skype for Business, Yammer, SharePoint Online, OneDrive, we've been able to create a virtual environment that feels like it's an environment where everyone is sitting next to each other in one big room. And that's allowed us to be enormously successful and to deliver amazing experiences to our customers.
At New Signature, we've adopted Microsoft's philosophy of it's a mobile-first, cloud-first world, and we believe in that. So we bring solutions to the table that follow that mantra. In mobility, you've got to look at developing applications that can run on a variety of different mobile devices, be secure, be reliable, and can manage the identity of those folks using those applications in a secure fashion.
New Signature delivers a cloud application called Storyteller. It's a cloud application that runs on top of the Azure environment in Microsoft's cloud, and it delivers to individual salespeople all of those sales assets hosted in SharePoint Online and helps them on their behalf put all those leads right into Dynamics CRM. Let me give you an example of how Storyteller transformed how Subaru sells cars. You walk into a dealership and you want to know more about the STI. The salesperson opens a tablet, Android, iOS, or Windows, pulls up the app, and instantly has access to all of the information available about that STI. If you happen to be also interested in an Audi A4, the competitive sell sheet is there. They know exactly the difference in price and the difference in features. Again, if that person wants to see the video about how well the car performs, that content is right there. Also, the salesperson can bring up information about inventory levels, color availability. Your entire customer file is there. They can look at your purchase history. Everything they need to know about the car they're selling and the person they're selling it to is in their hands as they stand beside the car. For companies to make intelligent business decisions, they increasingly need better and better data. The question is, where do you get it from? Consider that on Office 365, Microsoft manages your email, your documents, manages all your instant messaging and Skype conversations. It has essentially the corporate knowledge base of your company. What we're really excited about at New Signature is the opportunity to use that information to deliver transformative business insight. Make connections that you might not otherwise have been able to make. Connect people to people that they wouldn't have otherwise known. Connect people to information that they wouldn't have had access to otherwise. There are many devices that can all be connected through the Internet of Things. And that primarily drives key business value back to a company because it gives decision makers access to the information they need to make accurate decisions in the moment that the issue occurs, rather than the current state where they need to wait sometimes days, sometimes weeks, sometimes forever to know what's going on in the field. Microsoft technology helps in the Internet of Things space in a couple of ways. First of all, it helps you collect the data. There are some very interesting capabilities in Azure that let you consume large streams of analytics data in real time. Once that data is in, the second thing Microsoft lets you do is it lets you store vast amounts of information. And finally, and likely most importantly, the Microsoft Cloud lets you visualize that data in new and interesting ways. So you can collect it, you can store it, you can find information, insight, and then make key business decisions as an outcome of it.
One of the big benefits of cloud is that the possibilities are limitless. You can literally start 1,000 virtual machines in the next 10 minutes with 5 minutes to spare. So that agility and flexibility is really what's motivating people much more than cost. We run 7/24 managed services for Azure and other Microsoft Cloud solutions. We allow our customers to focus on what they're best at, while we take care of their complex IT infrastructure needs.
We can strategically work with customers in order to plan a journey towards the cloud, whether it has to do with their desktop productivity or their core infrastructure supporting their workloads. We build that for our customers and deploy it, and then return it back to them in the form of a managed service, driving lower costs and greater agility for our customers in the long term.
New Signature Managed Services are there to help the customer keep their system running healthy. We provide the governance, the advisory services, and the operational support that they need to keep systems available.
All of us live in the real world. We're going to have different solutions and services, and Microsoft is uniquely positioned because they came from a hybrid type of environment. You can deploy their solutions in a cloud, you can deploy them in a hybrid model, or you can deploy them on premises. They're the only company that can say that about all of their products.
New Signature has the opportunity today to really help transform our customers' businesses because we have both the breadth and depth of expertise across the entire Microsoft stack. Importantly, most solutions that we build for our customers today don't rely on a single technology. They rely on a portfolio of technologies. And you need a company that delivers a great experience and that delivers knowledge across that entire stack in order to build solutions that will solve problems for our customers and ultimately ensure that they receive incredible value for that.
When we think about New Signature today, we've brought together an enormously strong set of capabilities. This complementary set of capabilities allows us to truly cover customers throughout their journey to the cloud and beyond.